Hey guys, today we'll be taking a look at the most needed accessories for the Surface Pro 7. So instead of buying the signature Surface Pro keyboard or the mouse or the cover which they provide, you can go along with these kind of accessories like this one which I have here. This is a case which I got from Amazon, which is really rigid and also sturdy. It really protects my Surface Pro 7. So that's the case if you hold it up on by itself. It provides a really good protection for the corners. You can see over here, and also it also gives you a slot for placing your pencil or the stylus, which they give along with the Surface Pen. So this is a place or the slot where you can push your Surface Pen inside. The front cover gives a very good protection for the Surface Pro 7. It really provides very good protection. Also, in the description is that you can drop the tablet face down, nothing is going to happen to your screen, which is a very good protection, which the Surface Pro cover doesn't offer. So this also has a good strap, which basically means that you can have a very good sturdy finish to your Surface Pro 7. And the links to all these accessories are going to be provided in my down below the video. The second most important accessory which we're going to be needing for the Surface Pro 7 is the cover for the Surface Pro Pen. I will be doing another separate video how the Surface Pen works along with the Surface Pro 7. Now let's take a look at the accessories for the Surface Pro 7 pen. So here's a case which I got for the Surface Pro pen. So one of the options is that you can kind of slit your pen inside these slots, but when I'm going to carry it in a knapsack or something, I'm going to probably break my pen. So in order to prevent that, you can get this case which I bought out of Amazon. The links are going to be in the description given below. So this is the inside of the case. Here you can have all your other accessories, and here is a place where you can insert the pen inside. So this is the Surface Pen, and the case also has a very hard coating, which basically means that it's going to give you more protection to shocks and everything else when you place it inside your bag. It's very rigid and provides a very good range of protection for your Surface Pen. Third important accessory which everyone needs is a keyboard and a mouse. Well, you can go for the Surface Pro signature type keyboard, which is $126, and also you can go for the mouse, which costs another $59. Well, you can be roughly spending around $185, or you can finish the entire set of accessories for less than around $60. So here, let's take a look at those accessories right now. So here I have the Logitech Craft Keyboard Wireless Case. So I got a different keyboard and different case, but all that matters is that this case is really hard on the outside, if you can see over here, and it really protects my MK235 keyboard and my mouse. So this is the mouse attachment I have. Since the Surface Pro 7 basically offers us two ports, which is the USB-C and the USB-A, a single transmitter element helps us to connect both the keyboard and the mouse to the Surface Pro 7. So I'm going to show you how my keyboard basically looks. It's a really good case. So if you guys see it in the sideway, that's the whole keyboard. Compared to the Surface Pro signature keyboard, this is a bit more larger, but it gives you a really good feel of the same keyboard which you use for your desktop or your laptop computers. And this is how my keyboard, and this is the case. And this is the mouse I basically use along with the keyboard for connecting it to my Surface Pro 7. And inside the mouse, here you can put a AA battery, and that is the wireless transmitter which you plug into the Surface Pro 7, and both your keyboard and your mouse are connected to the device. Alright, so now let's take a look at more accessories for holding your USB-C to HDMI adapter and the USB slots which you might need for additional devices. And also let's take a look at some more pouches which you can use for storing your cable and the power cards and etc. So These are two cases which I got out of Amazon. So the small pouch basically holds my USB-C hub, which the USB-C hub basically has a wide range of ports. For one of the ports is mainly for the HDMI, Ethernet, and also it has three USB A ports, which I can connect more pen drives or hard disks and everything else like that. The bigger pouch holds my power adapter. So this pouch basically holds the entire power adapter, which is needed for my laptop. And then we have this pouch, which basically holds my storage device in place, and it also holds my USB-C drive in place as well. So the USB-C drive over here. So I'm going to show in the next section of the video how all these accessories cost up, less than around like $80. And if you add the Surface Pro 7 keyboard and the mouse, it goes up to $185. So by choosing a wide range of accessories, you can basically save on money, and you can also have a lot of good accessories for your Surface Pro 7, keeping it safe and also providing a wide range of functionality for many of your applications. This really helps me out in college when I have to take out my laptop and do several stuff, for example, taking notes or editing a presentation. And then you need a keyboard for basically typing in stuff. So the Surface Pro 7 keyboard is good, but then it's not very precise or accurate for me because the keys are kind of constrained and it doesn't give me a very good feel. But then using the same keyboard which I use for my desktop computer is really, really good. So I'll be giving a small detailed slide which will basically show you the cost of all these accessories. The links of all these accessories are going to be provided in the YouTube link below. And I'll be giving a cost of the Surface Pro 7 keyboard and the mouse and also the cover which you can buy. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe for this channel for more content. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up in the video below. And thank you so much for watching the video. Signing off, the technologist.